Meghalaya Cabinet today approved amendment of the Meghalaya Goods and Services Tax Act 2017 by issuance of an ordinance. The amendment to the State Act was necessitated because the central government has brought amendments to the Central GST Act 2017. The Cabinet meeting chaired by the Meghalaya Chief Minister also approved the appointment full-time director to strengthen the functioning of the Meghalaya Forensic Science Laboratory. The Cabinet also approved the retention of registration mark of all motor vehicles on a new vehicle after the sale or scraping of the old vehicle. Since fee is paid by few members of the public for their choice numbers, therefore, they should be given the opportunity to retain the same registration number even on purchase of a new vehicle later. Cabinet has approved the appointment of officers on Special Duty Technical UN Madan Retired Chief Engineer Projects, MEPDCL as the next OSD Technical Power Department on contractual basis for a period of 3 years. Cabinet approved the amendment of the Meghalaya Civil Service Rules 1975 to incorporate the sub-rule for addition of marks obtained by MCS officers during the induction training at MATI to marks secured in the competitive exam by MPSC to determine officers' ranking and seniority. The approval for redevelopment of government land at Police Bazaar, Shillong, and for availing of loan from Housing and Urban Development Corporation Bank was also cleared by the Cabinet.